Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the most neglected practice technique. And by the end, you're going to know what it is, how it helps, and how you can start reaping the benefits immediately. Stay tuned. So what I'm talking about is meditation, relaxing, chilling out. It's kind of like active listening in the sense that you're not actually working a technique, but it's still very important. So it helps with creativity, but you don't need to be religious to do it. And it's a skill like any other, so it's something that you can get better at. Listen, if you can't focus, then you can't create. Daily frustrations, you just don't have time. You gotta wash the dishes, you gotta take care of your body. That's why you need to make sort of a mental space in order to be creative. I'll let you look up the studies, but supposedly meditation rewires your brain. You know who Quincy Jones is, and what he said was, you'll never be as much of a musician as you are a human being. And being able to relax is foundational to being a decent person. If you're constantly reactive, judging everybody, just in your head all the time, first of all, you're not available to anyone. So if you have kids or you have a significant other, you're not there for them. So you need to be able to go inside and see what's cooking, so to speak, so you can sort of clear out a space for other people and for actual intelligent, conscious ways of being to emerge. The other thing is this: you don't need to be religious to do this. So don't think that this is a religious thing. You can think of it like your CPU. When you're practicing, it's like rendering a video, and your CPU is your brain, so it's hot, it's redlined, and you got to let that thing cool down. So, and that leads me to the point of, well, how do I do this? Well, I break my practice routine up into 15-minute chunks. I'll do 2 of those, a little short coffee break or something between, and then after that, I'll just sit down for 15 minutes. Your 15-minute chill session doesn't involve video games. In Zen, they call it zazen, which just means sitting. Just sitting. It's a practice thing. So just like your scales, if you improvise, or if you're doing sound design and music production or whatever, organizing assets for video, these things need to be done ahead of time. So when you are sitting in traffic, when you are at Walmart, which is like the ultimate spiritual dojo, if you don't know that, this is the most important thing, not only for practice and creativity, but in life, period. I really highly recommend that all you guys try this. 15 minutes at the end of each 30-minute session, or, I'll do ear training, production, video, and then an instrument skill. You could do it at the end of that too. Once a day, but definitely make time for it, and you will not be a loser for doing this. So hopefully that was helpful. If you liked it, click like, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to my longtime subscribers. I got my new setup here, so hopefully you like it, and things will keep getting better. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.